Can I have your attention, please?
So I think as a leader, what's really important about becoming comfortable with conflict is to realize that conflict is an opportunity to address a problem. Conflict is nothing more than identifying the opportunity for a better outcome. And so I think we need to really help ourselves by training or whatever we need to do to get more comfortable with problem-solving solutions to help us to just realize as a manager, everything we're doing either creates a future problem or solves a future problem. And we need to have behaviors that solve future problems before those problems.